Hey guys, my name is Brittany and this is my daughter Sierra, and she is mixed and she has mixed textured hair, and I'm about to show you how you can style it. We're under quarantine. This is day 2, unwashed, unbrushed hair. It's a little poofy, it's very naughty, and not a lot of curl definition. We're gonna take this, put some product in it, wet it down, and make it into a beautiful style for anyone to wear. Before we get started, I just want to go over a few materials that we'll be using. I have coconut oil, good for any and all things. I have Miss Jessie's Coily Custard, which is a little bit thick, leaves the hair a little bit hard, but it's still good for shine and curl definition. I also have Redken. It's a cream through the curvaceous line. This is good for moisture. It's really creamy and it helps define the curls also. This is an argan oil. It's from Cream of Nature. It's a leave-in spray conditioner. Just help to get the smoothness and the tangles out, really. And then this is my best friend. This is just a dollar store spray bottle with a little bit of warm water and then your favorite conditioner that you have in the shower. It's anything you want to use. It could be Dove, it could be high quality, it could be Pantene. Mix it with a little bit of warm water. It's going to do wonders when you spray the hair down. It's going to give it a little slip without being super heavy. Right here we have a bow just for finishing. We have a little bit of rubber bands to secure the hair ties in case the rubber bands pop. We also have a wide tooth comb. My daughter prefers to have a wide tooth comb instead of a brush. She said that it pulls less, so we're here for it. We have a small tooth bristle comb just to get the hair nice and smooth. And then we also, for smoothing the edges, we have a toothbrush that we put the Coily Custard in just to smooth it out. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Her quarantine hair. It's already beautiful, it just needs a little bit of love. Start by sectioning from the nape down and heavily saturating with your water conditioner combo. Now I'm going in with my curl cream, just a little bit for each section. This is the Redken from their curvaceous line. It's a curling cream. Just kind of working that through evenly. Once everything is evenly saturated, then you can start to comb, starting from the bottom up. This way you loosen the knots instead of just pulling on them tighter. You guys can't really see me at this point, but I'm already sweating. Now we're gonna move on to our next section, which is hella thick. Rinse and repeat, same thing. Wet it down, put the product in, saturate it, comb through, and repeat. Does it hurt?
Not really.
Alright, we're coming up on a half and half shot. One side's moisturized, the other side still needs a little bit of love, just to get an idea. And this is not even all the hair that's come out of her head. Trust me. Trust me. It's like the 4th time. Oh my God. Still wetting, still making our way through. We're almost done though. It's the last little section. I'm sure she's annoyed and impatient at this point, but beauty is pain. All right, now that we're fully saturated and knot free, we're gonna start with our parting. We're gonna start by taking from the top of the head down to the ear as a section. Same on the other side with the middle part, just kind of sectioning off the front half of her head from the back.
Once we do this on the other side, we're going to take both of those sections, pull them into one, tie it up just to keep it out of the way until we need to use it at the end. Now just a professional tip, put your finger at the nape of the neck, drag the comb down to meet your finger to make an even, nice center part, clean up any hairs that are caught on one side or the other, and then we're just going to tie up one side so we can work with the other side and keep it nice and clean. So this part is completely up to you, whether you have a daughter with fine hair, thick hair. Again, mine has a lot of hair, so I'm using bigger sections, about 1.5 inches each. Take the bristle brush, just to kind of make it nice and smooth, secure with an elastic, and then I twist it just to kind of keep all the hairs going in one direction. This is going to be a little repetitive. It's just you're going up the side of the head using any remaining hair, taking nice, clean, sleek sections, feeding the bottom piece into the top piece, and repeat until you get a nice little ponytail at the top of the head. I'm no rocket science, but I totally believe in you ladies. Any of you can do this. Your daughter doesn't even have to be biracial. This is a cute, great little hairstyle for summertime. Keep the hair up off the nape of the neck, nice and secured. Okay, now that that side's complete, we're going to go over to the other side, do the same thing using the part guide, and work your way up. Tie, twist, feed, tie, twist, feed. Tie, twist, feed, till we get to the tippy top. Repeat, repeat.
Don't care, don't care.
We're almost there, we're almost there. So one of the great things about a style like this is that it does last a few days. So I put in a little bit of effort, takes me about an hour, and then I'm good. She's playing outside, she's sleeping, mama can relax. So now we're gonna go in with the Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. It's a little thicker, it's a little stiffer, so it helps keep all the little baby hairs nice and tied down once we get to the front. Just follow this middle part, guys. Same middle part. We're doing 2 ballerina buns. Keep it nice and sleek. And the same thing from the other side. We're just feeding in the hair that we took from the back into the top front portion. Slick that thing back. Smooth it out. And her hair is about to break this elastic. 3, 2, okay. A day in the life. The hair props.
Stop!
Now we're just gonna split the ponytail into 2 sections, twisting in opposite directions as we're feeding the hair around each other. If you can watch what I'm doing, this is what's gonna keep it nice and tight and clean, because with curly hair, if you don't do this opposite direction twist, it will unravel and end up looking poofy once it dries. Secure with an elastic. Okay guys, so each side is mirroring each other. We're doing the same exact thing on this side, twisting in opposite directions, twist a ballerina bun, and then secure with an elastic. Moving on, cutting hedges and smoothing edges. Back to Mrs. Jessie's Coily Custard. Put it on like a toothbrush, like you're brushing your teeth, but we're not. We're smoothing down the baby hairs. Once you get in there, you'll know what to do. Circular motions, you're just kind of feeding that baby hair back up into the ponytail. You can do 2 sections, you can do 3. Just gauge off of the shape of your kid's head. Now listen, I haven't smoothed my edges or anybody else's edges since the 90s, so I'm rusty, but this side definitely came out a lot better. Same thing, rinse and repeat. Smooth, look at them waves. Okay guys, here's the reveal. 2 ballerina buns, secure the back up so it's nice and clean. These lights are hot, I'm glad we're done, but guess what? I don't have to do hair for another 3 days at least. So this is the end result. If you like what I did, give us a shout out in the comments. Let us know what you would like to see next time. I had a lot of fun.
So how do you feel about your hairstyle? Do you like it? Yeah. So this is a pretty, relatively easy maintenance hairstyle. A little while ago, we shaved the back of Sierra's hair. She wanted to be a little bit trendy, so it's slightly shorter. So the rubber bands in the back that pull it up without the use of a bobby pin, it really helps to keep the bottom hairs up and everything look clean and nice. So this is our take on 2 little ballerina buns with a little bit of help in the back to keep the hair up. Up straight.
If you like this video, please subscribe.
Thumbs up, subscribe.
We need subscribers, so please subscribe.
I'm Brittany.
I'm Sierra.
Thank you for watching Fresh TV.
We'll see you guys next time. Aloha!